Here's some Foucault's pendulum trivia. Subscribe. Which city hosts a famous pendulum in its Panthéon? Is it A, Rome, B, London, C, Paris, or Madrid? The correct answer is C, Paris. Who invented the pendulum specifically for demonstrating rotation? Is it A, Thomas Edison, B, Leon Foucault, C, Isaac Newton, or D, Johannes Kepler? The correct answer is B, Leon Foucault. In which year was Foucault's pendulum first demonstrated? Is it A, 1900, B, 1851, C, 1799, or D, 1875? The correct answer is B, 1851. Where was the original Foucault's pendulum displayed? Is it A, Observatoire de Paris, B, Louvre Museum, C, Eiffel Tower, or D, Einstein Institute? The correct answer is A, Observatoire de Paris. Which movement is observed by the pendulum's swinging plane? Is it A, ocean currents, B, lunar cycles, C, centrifugal force, or D, rotation of the Earth? The correct answer is D, rotation of the Earth. How long can the period of a simple pendulum be approximated? Is it A, 3 pi per L over G, B, 4 half rho G, or D, 2 pi 4 over G? The correct answer is D, pi L over G. Which factor influences the pendulum's oscillation period? Is it A, air density, B, length of string, C, weight of pendulum, or D, temperature change? The correct answer is B, length of string. Which academic discipline does this concept primarily relate to? Is it A, history, B, physics, C, geography, or D, chemistry? The correct answer is B, physics. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.